cleaning we go.
Good morning. We're in the barn. Good morning. Will and I are in the barn. It's cleaning day. Just got the Highlanders moved out of their section. They're outside. There's Bud and Blossom. And just got the cows out of the barn, out of the barnyard, in the cattle pass. So all this has to be cleaned up in the stalls. So and we also, here he comes. We're gonna back in. We're not in a standard cattle barn, we're in a dairy barn. We have to work with what we got. There's Lil. She doesn't love this good suit. Here he comes. Highlanders are in the barn. Daisy, who just had her calf yesterday, is in the barn. Calf's over in the corner. Mama's bag's really big, so we need to make sure that the baby is nursing. So this is a safe way to be able to do it. Be able to get the barn cleaned up, sawdust in, and now we're gonna probably give the baby classroom just to make sure that it has what it needs.
And Violet is nursing from her mama Daisy. All is well.
So what we're looking for is exactly what she's doing, that she's attentive to the baby, looking at, stimulating it, cleaning it off. She's watching me. Keep going, Rosie. Keep going. The baby did try to get up, so this is all good signs that the baby's well and she is well from delivery. Keep going, girl.
Rosie not only had one, but she had two. Our first set of twins on the farm. Welcome, Bailey and Bo. Of course, you can't forget our Bud and Blossom. And my team, our son Jake and my husband Guy. Gillette's Maple Products and Farm. Until next time, be well.